Looking for a reliable way to protect your network or electronics gear? The 9U2 Post Secure Rack is designed to keep your critical equipment safe from damage and unauthorized access. This lockable wall mount cabinet offers peace of mind by securing switches, servers, and other devices in a sturdy enclosure that fits neatly on your wall. What sets this rack apart is its combination of durability and flexibility. Made from cold-rolled SPCC steel, it supports up to 200 pounds and adjusts to hold devices with depths ranging from 6 to 14.6 inches. It even includes a movable 1U vented shelf, perfect for organizing your equipment while allowing air to flow freely. The mesh door and sides promote natural cooling, and if you need more airflow, you can add up to 4 120mm fans for active cooling, keeping your devices running smoothly without overheating. Installation is hassle-free since the rack comes pre-assembled with everything you need: cage nuts, screws, 4 security keys, grounding lugs, and 3 meters of hook and loop tape to keep cables tidy and secure. The reversible front door gives you the option to open it from either side, making it adaptable to your space. Users praise its solid build and thoughtful design, noting the easy door hinge and clever mounting cleat that fits snugly with lag bolts. Minor tweaks like swapping out shiny hardware for black screws are simple fixes compared to the overall quality you get. If you're managing a network or need a secure home for your electronics, this 9U2 Post Secure Rack offers a practical, cost-effective solution. It's built to last, easy to install, and designed to keep your equipment cool and protected. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your setup without fuss. Ready to secure your network gear with confidence? Try the 9U2 Post Secure Rack when you're ready and experience the difference of a well-built, lockable, and ventilated enclosure. It's a smart investment that keeps your critical equipment safe and organized, exactly what you need for peace of mind.